Welcome back, Bitcoin World Crypto channel. Today's project name is Save Token. The proprietary hyper-deflationary virtuous token and beneficial circle is created for all. This is white paper. You can download this white paper and can read all detail about this project, and you will be able to buy these tokens soon. And these are the social in Telegram, Twitter. What exactly is Save Token? Save Token could be frictionless, abdicated, cultivating, and a liquidity era convention. Basically, hold your Save Token in your wallet and you will earn more. In expansion to this, you will to gain everyday reward in BNB. How it will work? Holder BNB reward, products, services, and profits. Save Token is a passive profit generation system that is developed around digital marketing and online business. It also includes the development of projects related to the crypto world. Save Token is not another meme token. This is a serious and real project whose mission is to create a portfolio of products and services that solve problems and cover real needs in an extremely profitable market, and distribute the profits obtained among investors in a fair and transparent way. The development team is created and commercialize various products and services to solve problems and satisfy needs related to digital marketing and online businesses. This is a market that moves more than $340 billion annually, and it is estimated that it will continue to grow. Investors will receive reward in BNB reward in Save Token, and also they will receive BNB directly from the profit obtained from the system in a passive and recurring way. You just have to hold Save Tokens. And this is the detail of tokenomics. Token name is Save Token, network Binance, specification BEP20, and this is the detail of token distribution. Marketing 1%, dev wallet 5%, reward 10%, liquidity 35%, and pre-sale 40%. 10% is allocated for reward, 5% marketing admin team, 2% LP buyback, verified contract, coin snipper listing, logged LP, and this is the roadmap detail. And this is phase 2, phase 3, and phase 4. And if you want to connect with team, simply type your name here, your email address, your message, and then you can submit this form. And this is all about this project in office.